This right here is our female fire skink. Let's try to get her out. This girl was wild caught, I'm supposed. Well, that I was told this girl is wild caught. But I've had her for 2 years now. Look at how beautiful that skink is. Is the camera getting her colors? Look at that. Woo-wee. But that's our female right there. We're going to sit her right here. And let's find our male. Let's move this water bowl. Let's move that right there. Let's find this big old giant dude. Where is he? Oh, there he goes. And they like they like shift in the sand or the dirt. But we have this big old boy right here. He's a good dude. This is dad. This is mom right here, and this is dad. I've had dad for 2.5 years, and that's both of them right there. And let's check this out right here. Look, you guys. So as you guys can see, I don't know if you guys can see all the dwarf white isopods we have in here. There's tons and tons of dwarf white isopods all through there. I don't know if you guys can see those two right there. They're everywhere all through this. They're just all through this enclosure. But check this out, you guys. Look at this. Let's move all this dirt over here. Oh, where'd that go? Look at this. I don't know how many eggs we have, but I think I might leave them in here. Oh snap, look at this, you guys. Oh, look at those pearly whites. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh snap. We got 5 eggs, you guys. We gotta drop those into our incubator. Oh, 6. Sorry about that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 eggs. Oh snap. We got skink eggs. We got 6 beautiful skink eggs. I do want to go ahead and candle these. Oh my gosh. And they all are perfect eggs. Do we have any more? No, it looks like we only have 6 eggs, you guys. So we do have a pair. I'm happy we have a pair. Let's get to the bathroom where we're gonna go. Where it's super dark, and we're gonna candle these. All right, so we in the bathroom, and I got the extra light. But can you see me good? Mm-hmm. All right. But yeah, we're gonna candle these skink eggs right here, which is, look at that. It's so dope. We got skink eggs. I wasn't even expecting them to breed. I haven't even saw any type of breeding at all. But we got eggs, so let's check these eggs out. Let's candle them and see. Oh, let's see. I don't know if you guys can see, we got one tiny little embryo right there. I don't know if you guys can see, but there's a little tiny embryo right there. That little tiny red dot. I don't know if you guys can see it. That little dot right there. That's one right there. Gotta leave that guy like that. Let's check on these. All of these eggs look really perfect. There goes another one. That's the embryo up top. I will mark these to keep them upright and not roll over like I just did that one. All of these eggs look really, really good. And there goes that embryo right there. Look at that, guys. Look. You guys see that little embryo right there? That's another good egg. I'm super nervous, you guys. I'm super nervous. That's another one. Another good egg. Oh my gosh, that is so crazy. Let's go. We got 2 more eggs to check. Uh-oh. Let's see what's up with this guy. Oh, we see veins. There is an embryo. Yep, there we go. I don't know if you guys can see that embryo right there in the middle. So that's a good lizard egg. This embryo was smaller than all the other ones though. And last but not least, there we go. That's another embryo. I don't know if you guys can see that vein right there. There's a vein there, but the embryo is right there, right at the end of my thumb. So all of these eggs are really good. We're going to get them set up and put in our incubator.